Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going through the ChatGPT demo. So, in today's video we are going to explore the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT, the advanced language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT can generate text-based responses in a conversational manner, making it an exciting tool for a wide range of applications. So let's dive in and see how it works. So how does ChatGPT work? Well, it's powered by a GPT-555, a cutting-edge language model trained on a massive amount of text data from the internet. It uses this knowledge to generate human-like text responses based on the input it receives. It's like having a virtual assistant that can generate text for you. So let's try it out. Here is an example. Ask ChatGPT a simple question like what is the weather today? And how can you see it puts an answer right out of the way. As a IA language model, I do not have a real-time access to weather data. Therefore, I am unable to provide you with the current weather information to find out the weather for today. I recommend checking a reliable weather website or using a weather app on your device. You can also ask a voice assistant or check a local news source up for weather updates in your area. And just like that, it puts your answer up. But the real power of ChatGPT shines in its conversational matters. Let's have a little chat then with ChatGPT and see how it works. I will ask it something like this. How are you today? Hi ChatGPT, how are you today? And we get the response right away. As an AI language model, I do not have emotions or physical sensations, so I do not have experience, feelings, or have a state of being. However, I am fully operational and ready to assist you with any question or task you have to the best of my abilities. How can I help you? So that's really fascinating. So I will ask it something different, like a joke. Can you tell me a joke? And sure, here we get the response. Sure, here's a joke for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make everything up. Yeah, that's a little bit funny, but okay. Put that aside. Let's ask it something for dinner tonight. That will be a great question. I ask it now. So, and here is the answer. Certainly, here is a recipe for a dish, a delicious and easy make a dish. Okay, we get the ingredients, we get the instructions, we get everything we need to make the dish. Of course, you can ask it for another dish or everything you want. That's the point of it, the point of this video. So, as you can see, ChatGPT can be used in a variety of ways, from answering questions and providing information to engage a casual conversation. It can be a valuable tool for content creators, writers, researchers, and anyone who needs text-generated assistance. For the conclusion, and there you have it, that's ChatGPT. It's a powerful language model that can generate text-based responses in a conversational manner. It's a potential application are vast and can only imagine how it will continue to evolve and be integrated into various industries in the future. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. See you guys in the next video. Bye!